What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna work on the chevelle, and it's gonna be a good day. We got some stuff we're gonna do. We're gonna put a new ignition in, build a center console, and let's get on it. All right, guys, here we are. Yeah, good old key for the ignition broke. We're gonna get a new one here. We're gonna throw this bad boy in and see if we can't fix our problem here. My dumbass broke the key, so me and Joey over here, we're gonna get this taken care of. Hey guys, meet Joey. He's the one helping me today. Of course, he's always vaping in my car. Let's see what we got going on here. Got the steering wheel taken off. Oh, nailed it.
Nailed it.
Look at this guy.
You know, that old chestnut.
Drugs are bad.
Or they're totally good.
Get back to you guys when we take all this off. See if we can get this out of here. So what we got going on here, guys. Got to pull all this off here. Place this bad boy. It's all wore out. Got to go get the right tool. Should be fairly easy. And then our next project, we're going to finish off this center console. Should come out real nice. Got some new wood for it. Half of this is just the template, and should be good. Got our steering wheel set up here. Pretty nice little Grant. Love that thing. We'll do a walk around of the car here in a little while and show you what this bad girl's all about. Pride and joy right here. So yeah, see if we can get this thing out of here. It's kind of fighting us today, so see if we can give it a shot. Alright guys, so to get this plate off, you gotta push it in, and there's this little clip in here, little snap ring, this little bad boy. Push this plate in, you'll be able to get this little snap ring off. Wiggle that bad boy off, she comes off just like that. Come in here, pull all this out, see if we can get it out here. Maybe. There we go. Pull that bad boy off. Done. And then we're gonna come in here and start taking all this apart so we can get to this little clip head back here in the back to release the tumbler. See if we can get it all out. Alright guys, once you get the turn signal switch and everything out of here, right back in here, there's gonna be a little tiny black clip. You gotta push on it. That's actually gonna be this clip right here. Push on that. When you do that, it'll release this tumbler and pulls right out. That's all she is. Now we're gonna slap the new one in and be on our way to putting all this back together. All right, guys, we got this all buttoned up. We got some brand new keys going on here. Steering wheel's on. Steering wheel's straight. Got her all put back. Lock works. Blinkers work. Did we do good, Joey? Did we do good?
Every time.
90% of the time.
Every time.
It's every time. Alright. Well, time to tackle the center console now. Let's get going. What's up, guys? Sorry, took a little break here. We got the center console out of the car. We got getting this inner piece here all mocked up. And got another piece for here. Bad boy's gonna go like that. Got some cool things going in. We got some switches. We gotta cut the hole out for the shifter. Shifter's got to go in. Got some USB ports we're gonna put in here. This is a non-console car from the factory. It was a bench seat car, but it should come out pretty cool. I got some cool cup holders. Let's see what we got. Got some cool cup holders. LED lights in them. They should be pretty sweet. Should light up a water bottle pretty cool. But that's what we got going on. We'll keep you guys updated as we build this thing here. Might do a little cubby in here. I'm gonna do an armrest. That should be pretty cool. It'd be nice having an armrest in this car. Real nice having cup holders as well. But yeah, we're gonna get going a little more, and we'll catch you guys up when we're done. What's up, guys? I'm getting a little late start here in the morning. It's the next day. We're heading over. We're gonna throw a quarter panel on. We're gonna take a break from that center console. Got the old girl running today. She's running good. We're missing a seat still. I got all that ready. It's gonna be another video there. Throwing the seats in should be fun. But just driving here. We got Joey behind us here. We got that guy behind us in Masubi. So let's see what we can get going today. See if we can stay out of some trouble. Alright. Alright guys, this is what we got going on here. Got some damage over here. Damage here. Rusted out here at the bottom. So we got our line cut out here. That's what we're going to cut. We're just going to throw a patch right here. And it should fix it. What do you think? Think you should fix it?
As best as we can. Yeah, it'll fix
I
it.
think we'll be alright.
We got this, man.
Little front yard repair.
Front
Shit'll
yard
buff
in
out.
the driveway. Shit'll buff out.
Hell yeah. Alright. Let's get to it. Let's get cutting. Am I bothering? Some progress going on here. Getting her all welded in.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's gonna be a good fitment here. Should go in real nice. Nice little patch going on. Alright guys, we'll catch you up when we get some more welded in here. Oh, 72.
Hey guys, Joey here, filling in for Eddie, who right now is doing a project right over there. Oh, that's Heather. Don't mind her. She's just cleaning her car. As you can see behind me, it's the Ruby Doo. You know, they're cool. Don't act like they're not. They're cool. So what we're doing next here, we're gonna grind off all the welds that we hit on this quarter. We're gonna try and get her smooth before we skim it. to get her golden for that lovely primer, if you know what I'm talking about. So let's get at it. So I know what you guys were thinking. Where's Eddie helping with the damn quarter panel? Well, here's what he was doing.
What's up, guys? That's what we're doing here. Wrapping the center console. Wrapping in some vinyl. Should be looking pretty good when we're done. Almost there. I'm close. So a little bit more to go here. So stretched pretty good.
Dope sauce.
Hey, let's do a little update here. Got the console in. She's all in place now. Secured. Got the armrest, cup holders. Gotta wire all those up. Those light up. We've got all of our switches in here. We're gonna get those wired up here in the next couple days. We got the cigarette lighter, the USBs. We'll wire those bad boys up. Put some cool lights in here in the side. Everything's in though. It should it's coming along pretty nicely. Can't really complain. Just more and more projects. We're getting done here. I'll show you guys a quarter. Here's the quarter we did. Still working on it. I gotta finish grinding it down, priming it, start filling in the body. Finish with body filler. But probably gonna end the video here. Take her out on a drive here in a couple days and take you guys along with me. Gonna try not to be so weird in front of the camera. It's a little different here, but I like doing car stuff. I like building stuff with my hands. I want to share that with you guys. So yeah, I think it came along pretty nicely. Can't really complain. Came along. Joey helped me out a lot. I'll show you guys the Subaru the next couple days. He's borrowing it for a couple days. I think all in all, it's coming along pretty nice. We're gonna wrap the shifter in carbon fiber, and that should tie it all in real nice with those switches. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this video out, and we'll keep you guys updated on the build of the car. We got a lot of things going. We got AC kit going in. We got the quarter, some rear window work, some more body work, paint. We're gonna take you guys along the tour of rebuilding this car, and we're gonna go have some fun with it. We're gonna take it to the strip here in a couple weeks when it weather gets a little nicer, and it's supposed to rain for about a week, so we'll see. You guys can see the wife's car over there. She's got a Subi, and I got my Subi, the Chevelle. We're gonna give this a shot and take you guys along the builds of our cars, because we really enjoy it. So stay tuned for more videos, more content to come, and thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.